Testing, testing. 1, 2, oh! Shit.
Let's get him.
Is still reeling after last week's puzzling blood bank break-in. Their entire blood supply gone without a trace. Thank goodness for the students of Pleasantville High, opening their hearts and veins for their sister city. Got a cut? How was I? Was I okay? My hair? Great.
And blood!
Cheerleading is so demeaning. Are you gonna try out next year? Me too.
Hey, Dawkins. How much did you give?
What?
The blood drive.
I thought it was free donut day.
You wuss. We gave 4 pints. Each. CT rules! Give blood. Give.
No way I'm letting those vampires stick needles into me.
Really sweet of you to help out, Tommy.
Give till it hurts. That's what I always say. Give till it hurts.
I'm all yours, Nurse Hanson.
Actually, I'm not the one taking your blood.
Are you sure you're qualified to do this, Hugo?
Relax, Dawkins. I've got all the necessary medical field training. I did 3 tours of Nam.
Fought in Vietnam?
Actually, they were bus tours of Nam. Disqualified for flat feet. Now, less talking and more bleeding. That was only the cotton swab.
Well, it's a very rough cotton swab, okay?
Now, this won't hurt a bit. Unless you want it to.
Now, I'm quoting from, and I'm not
Do
sure
you know what transmigrative synapses are? Neither do I. But that's the kind of stuff Merton likes to talk about. Listen.
If you could sustain a reticulated bipolarity during metamorphosis, that would be great.
Is your father a thief?
No, but let me guess. You're wondering who stole the stars and put them in my eyes, right?
You've heard that one.
Have you heard a word I've said?
Don't get me wrong. I'm glad he was helping me. But most of the time, my mind would wander.
Do you know what I would do if I were in charge of the alphabet?
You'd put you and I together?
Darn it. It's our immaterial.
Oh, look at the time. Well, guess we're all done here. Later, boys.
Where you going, sweetheart? Shouldn't you boys be at a Kiss concert?
Tommy, just let me handle this, okay?
You looking for trouble, hot shot? Try me. Watch yourself. You don't know who you're dealing with. Yeah. Yeah. Come on, guys, let's get out of here.
Oh. Hey, did you where Stacy went?
Yeah, she took off. She didn't look happy.
Man. After I gave all that blood.
You did what?
Gave blood. At the blood drive.
Tommy, you didn't.
You what? I don't...
Okay, you're a werewolf.
Right.
You have werewolf blood.
Right.
If it winds up in someone else's veins, it'll turn them into a werewolf. Or worse, it could kill them. Okay?
No, I'm following you. breaking into the blood bank. Are you sure this is such a good idea?
Like giving werewolf blood was such a winner. Just think of it as making a withdrawal.
Works for me.
What was that?
Easy, Merton. You're making me nervous, man. Oh, there we go. I got it. Got it.
What have we here? What are you guys doing here? Come on, boys. Let's get him.
Well, I wouldn't do that
And why not?
because we're vampires too.
We are?
It's okay, Tommy. We don't have to hide anymore. They're like us. Night dwellers, blood drinkers, Nosferatu.
You guys are vampires?
You, I can almost believe. But Mr. All-American Jock Boy over here? Oh, come on. If Tom Cruise can do it, so can I.
Think about it. Why would we be stealing blood if we're not vampires?
Huddle.
Dude, there's no such thing as vampires.
Yeah, that means a lot coming from a werewolf. Trust me, they're vampires. And right now, so are we.
All right. If you guys are vampires, then you must know the universal vampire handshake.
There is no universal vampire handshake.
Sorry, guys. It's just we haven't seen any of our kind since the convention in Vegas. When was that, Ruben?
Was the magical summer of 1964.
That long ago? Man, time sure flies. Even when you're immortal. Enough about the past. Let's party!
Bloody Mary? Bloody, Stephanie?
So the other vampire says, how can you even look at yourself in the mirror?
Hey, sorry about hitting on your girl. I had no idea.
It's no big deal, man. I mean, she's not even technically my girlfriend, you know. I don't know, I've always had a thing for her. It's...
Hey, love hurts, man. I should know. I fell into the tender trap once, too.
Damien, that was 433 years ago. Get over it.
Chug. Chug.
Now, I know vampires are supposed to be evil, blood-sucking freaks. But for a few hours there, I actually thought they were good guys.
Okay, man. It's your turn.
I'd love to, but I'm driving.
Well, it's been fun, but, you know, we should be going.
Hey, what's the hurry? Have a drink. You must be parched. I mean, I haven't seen you touch a drop all night. Drink.
Bring it on. I can't do it.
What kind of vampire are you? He said.
What kind of vampire are you?
Ruben, I'll do the menacing, okay?
He's not a vampire, and neither am I.
You're a werewolf? And what are you, a mummy?
Actually, I'm a mere mortal. Although I am well versed in the canon of Gothic literature, and I've dabbled in sorcery.
If there's one thing I hate more than a werewolf, it's a geek. Easy, easy.
Easy. Merton and I are gonna leave now. Nobody has to get hurt.
Sorry, boys. You've seen too much. No one knows our secret and lives.
Hey, what about the
dry cleaner in Albany. You know, he got the holy water stains out of our coffin liners. He's still alive.
Okay, one guy. Get him, Reuben.
My retainer. Come on, boys, let's get jiggy with it.
Back off! Oh, that is so cheap. Merton, run!
Run where? We're in a corner.
Sunrise! That's impossible! 4:45. Oh, wait. Is it spring forward, fall back, or vice versa?
Oh, I can't work like this. See you tonight, fellas.
Yeah. Enjoy your day, boys. It'll be your last.
Oh, yeah.
After an all-night party with blood-sucking vampires, all I needed was a nice, quiet place to curl up and get some shut-eye. This wasn't it.
What the? We've got work to do. The more we know about these vampires, the better our chances of kicking some bang. Check out these books. Nosferatu Fact or Fiction, Vampires for Dummies, When Vampires Attack, with foreword by George Hamilton.
Can't we just wing it?
Look, I'm tired too, okay? But in 6 hours and 54 minutes, the sun sets, and some very angry vampires are gonna come looking for blood. Our blood, all of it. And you wanna wing it?
Got me to junior high. Stacy. About last night. You know, I'm sorry that I jumped in. You know, I just kind of thought
You
that...
thought what? That you're my boyfriend? And I need your protection? Look, you're not, okay? And I don't.
You don't understand. Those guys were...
Pale and sickly. Between my kickboxing and my self-defense classes, I think I can take care of myself. Okay, Tommy?
Stacy. Oh, my God. She's lucky I'm tired. Okay, we got holy water super soakers, wooden stakes, and garlic.
And we've got crosses on all the windows and doors.
So there's no way the vampires can get in here now, right?
Well, it worked in the Lost Boys.
What?
Lost Boys? 1987, rated R, directed by Joel Schumacher from a screenplay by Jeffrey Boehm, starring Corey Feldman.
Whoa. Time out. You're basing our entire line of defense on a Corey Feldman movie?
Corey Haim was in it, too.
Oh, yeah? Haim. I like Haim.
He's good. He's no Feldman.
Haim.
Feldman.
Haim.
Feldman.
Haim.
Feldman. It's okay. They can't get in. According to a legend from 13th century A.D., and of course, second season of Buffy, vampires cannot enter your house unless you invite them in.
Not gonna happen.
Here's Reuben! Please, can I come in? No! Please, I need to use the John. Fine. What do we do now?
Oh. Hello? Trying to have a strategy session here. I've got it. If Tommy won't come out and play, maybe his chick will.
Who is it?
Rapplegram for Merton Dingle.
Izzy Taylor, you're in my bio class. What are you doing delivering rapograms?
I lost my paper out. Could you give me a beatbox? My battery's died.
Take it.
You wouldn't let us vampires in. Got a news flash. You can't win. Brew stuff fixes make us crazy. You got garlic, we got Stacy.
Vampires got Stacy.
To the V, to the A, to the M.
Yeah.
What about my tip?
Yeah, sorry. There you go. Don't worry. The hunted becomes the hunter.
Does my hair look okay for a showdown? You know, just once I wish I had a reflection.
You think they'll show?
Woman in Jeopardy. It's a classic.
What are you doing, Mert?
You want some?
I can't believe it's not garlic butter. You know, all this talk of garlic's making me starved for pizza. Hey, do you think Vito's delivers to the cemetery?
Sure, Tommy. Just tell them we're at the corner of Chelsea, Webster, and Noni Fortunato. Aw, he was our mailman.
Oh, Noni.
Every year at Christmas, he used to bring us homemade cheese logs.
Cheese logs. Those little things with the chopped up walnuts?
Yeah.
Hello? Vampires here, pure evil on the loose.
Well, this is it. A showdown at the cemetery. A little cliche, don't you think?
Well, we tried to rent the Elks Lodge, but they required a security deposit. And
We don't have to explain anything to you.
Come on! My contact, you jerk! You like that? You want more? Yeah! Come on! Yeah! Oh, yeah!
Two down.
Relax. I don't bite. Wait a sec, I do bite. What do you say we nick?
What do you say I hurl? Look, I don't know who you are or why you kidnapped me or why you're wearing so much white base.
That isn't base. It's my natural color. I'm not allowed to be in the sun. It's against my religion.
You should really try a self-tanner.
When I end up all orange and streaky?
Not if you exfoliate properly.
You're right. Do you have a pen? I want to write some of this stuff down.
Look, with all this free advice, don't you think you should let me go?
I'm afraid that's not possible.
And let me give you one more tip. Bite me.
I thought you'd never ask.
How about you bite me instead?
Oh, this caught me again!
Come on, lassie. Show me what you got.
Don't even think about it. Yeah, easy, killer. Easy.
Now, where were we?
Too messy. Oh. Not enough. Garlic. This. Why don't we put the rest of these bloodsuckers to bed?
I love that sound. Oh. So long, boys. Have a nice flight.
I'm sorry to leave you here like this, but I can't let your parents see me.
What kind of conditioner do you use? You've got really nice hair.
So do you.
I know you from somewhere?
I've got one of those faces. I gotta go.
Wait, will I ever see you again?
You can count on it. I felt really bad about leaving Stacy on her doorstep. But being a werewolf has its drawbacks. I may be able to take a bite out of crime, but I still can't take the credit. Stacy, I was just... Stacy! And as for my blood-drinking buddies, let's just say me and Merton send them back where they belong.
Morning, boys.